Today I'm going to show you how to fix Photoshop lag. First, I'm just going to use brush tool. Paint with white to reveal their blur. And you can see the brush starts to lag. The program runs very slow. In that case, probably you might have filled up the memory of the program. Here's how to make the software breathe again. Go to Window, and open your history. Go to Edit, Purge, and All. If you see this message, click OK and see they get deleted. So that's what it does, and this clears up Photoshop, make it a little faster when it's lagging. But if your Photoshop is overall lagging, if it's every time lagging, probably it's a processor problem, or computer problem, or hardware problem, and maybe there's some viruses. And that's it. Hope you liked it.